Hi, my name is Cindy Farr, and I'm the Incident Commander for the Missoula City County Health Department's COVID-19 response. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, and this is our COVID weekly briefing. We've had 459 cumulative positive cases of COVID in Missoula County to date. That's up 20 new cases in the last week. We've had 419 recoveries and 3 deaths. 2 Missoula County residents and 2 out-of-county residents are currently hospitalized in Missoula County. We have 37 active COVID-19 cases with just under 200 close contacts at this time. Those active cases and their close contacts remain in isolation and quarantine, and they're being monitored and supported as needed. The state of Montana is reporting 7,871 cumulative COVID cases, which is up 90 new cases since yesterday. There are now 2,028 active cases with 163 active hospitalizations across the state. There have been 122 deaths related to COVID-19 statewide. Cases in Missoula County are still coming in at a pretty steady rate and not increasing at this time. Our active COVID case rate per 100,000 people is currently at 33, which is down from 37 last week. The state of Montana as a whole is seeing 190 active cases per 100,000 people, which is up from 183 last week. Our reproductive value in Missoula County is still holding below 1, which means that less than 1 person becomes infected by a person who has COVID-19. That means that we are able to isolate and quarantine people very quickly, and it's helping to reduce the spread of COVID in our county. I just have a few things to go over today. First, I want to let everyone know that we will now be releasing some new data on our website. Every week on Wednesdays, starting today, we'll be posting data on University of Montana affiliated cases. UM affiliated cases include faculty, staff, and students. We'll post a cumulative number of cases since the beginning of the semester, and we're using the date that the students moved into the dorms as the beginning of semester date, which was August 12th. And we'll also post a number of new cases in the last 7 days and the number of current active cases that are affiliated with the University of Montana. As I said, that data will be posted on our website and will be updated each week on Wednesdays. Next, I just want to let everyone know that you will soon see some changes to our website. You'll still be able to access it through missoula.co/cvirus, but you'll be redirected to a new website where the information is easier to navigate and to find the guidance that you're looking for. So keep an eye out for that change. Lastly, I just want to share some exciting news about some changes at our testing site at the Flynn Lane drive-through testing facility. We've recently been able to obtain an Abbott Rapid testing machine, and we're currently using it at our testing facility. We can only run a limited number per day at this time, but if you get the rapid test done, you're provided with the results within 20 minutes before you leave the testing site. For the first 30 days, anyone who gets tested with the rapid test will need to be swabbed twice so that we can still send in a PCR sample to have that confirmed. This just helps us to make sure that the rapid testing produces the same results as the PCR testing that we've been using since March. After the first 30 days, we'll be spot checking a few samples on a regular basis and sending them for PCR just to make sure that our machine is staying accurate. So if you're having any symptoms consistent with COVID-19, please call 258-INFO and they can schedule you for a free test at our drive-through testing facility on Flynn Lane. If you still get that PCR test and you don't get the rapid test, those results are coming in usually within 24 to 72 hours. So that's it for my briefing this week. Our website will be updated daily, so check there for the most current local data at missoula.co/cvirus. As always, you can subscribe to me on YouTube under my name, Cindy Farr. That's CindyFarr. Click that notification bell so you get notified when additional videos are uploaded. Just a reminder, we're only doing these videos on Wednesdays, but if anything big happens and we feel like we need to put out any kind of a big public statement, we will definitely add in another video or two for the week. You can also follow us on Facebook at the Missoula City County Health Department's Facebook page, and you can call 258-INFO if you'd like to schedule a test for COVID-19, or if you just have general questions about COVID-19 or want to know what kind of resources might be available for you. As always, everyone stay healthy, and I will talk to you again next week.